Hello students. Now I am going to start a new topic for class 7 maths in chapter 1. In the previous video you have read about the rules of addition and subtraction and also the absolute value. And today I will teach you how to multiply integers. What are the rules and regulations for the multiplying integers? And in this topic I will repeat a value called absolute value many of the times, and you have to understand that what is the meaning of absolute value. You have read it in the previous video, but just for recalling you, what is absolute value? How can you determine the absolute value of a given integer? Then, absolute value is nothing but the number, the digit which absolute value has to be found is itself without any sign. It means, what I am trying to say is, if the given number or integer is -3 and you have to find out its absolute value, then the absolute value is represented by 2 bars and its absolute value comes out 3. If I say the absolute value, means this integer has the absolute value of 3, and for that you have to simply write down the digit itself without any sign. Just like you have to find out the absolute value of 4 will be the number itself without any sign. For example, -7. You have to find out the absolute value of -7 and it will come to 7. The digit itself without any sign, and the absolute value will be 7. See, 3 examples are given. Just for recalling you, you have to keep in mind, and I will use it in multiplication of integers. Now the topic, multiplication of integers. It is followed by 2 rules. First rule, rule number 1. It says that if two integers are to be multiplied with different signs. If two integers are to be multiplied having different signs, not with, having different signs, the product will be negative. If two integers are to be multiplied having different signs, the product will be negative. How will you understand that? Let the two integers be -2 and 3. 3 is having positive sign and 2 is having negative sign. Means two different signs. It has different signs and you have to multiply this. So for multiplying it will give 3 to the 6. Now here I am telling that this is the product of their absolute value. This is the 6 is the product of the absolute values of different integers. Means its absolute value is 2 and its absolute value is 3. 2, 3 is 6. But the sign will contain some difference about the root. The product will be negative. It means the product, this is the product and it will be negative. Understand? Let's do it one more time. If we have to multiply -7 into 3, then what will be the product? These two are of different sign. This is positive and this is negative, and we have to multiply it. Then what will be the product? What will be the result? So I can say that multiply the absolute value of -7 and multiply the absolute value of 3. It will come 21. And the product, it says that, rule 1 says that the product will be negative. Here it will be a negative sign and this will be the answer. Likewise, if you have to multiply -12 into 3, then its absolute value, this here, look at here, its absolute value will be 12, its absolute value will be 3 and both product will be 36 and the answer will be negative. So it will be negative. For that you can take a shortcut. For shortcut tricks, you will have to remember this small rule. Get by heart, note down in your notebook and practice it. If plus is multiplied by minus, it will give minus. If minus is multiplied by plus, it will give minus. This is the rule number 1. Now we will talk about the rule number 2. Rule 2 says that